Stack.
Very good.
Turning up the heat on reading this summer. Some elementary students across the Beaufort County School District are spending part of their break building skills that will carry into the next school year through the Extended Year Summer Reading Program. It's designed to strengthen literacy skills and help students avoid the summer slide.
Say it with me, guys.
Summer Reading Camp gives us that gift of additional time with our students so that we can build those foundational skills and help them be ready for that next grade level. But I think one of the most important things that we do during this time is help students develop a love for reading that they may not get during the traditional school year.
At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, this year's theme is Make a Splash into Reading, bringing a fun water-inspired twist to summer learning.
They're feeling like they're on vacation, but a vacation with books, a vacation with their teachers where they're learning, and they really are making a splash. This increased intervention for the students, it really does make a world of difference when you think about the reading and the gaps that we're trying to close here in Beaufort County with that.
Students are strengthening both reading and writing skills through hands-on projects and interactive lessons.
That's a hard word, yeah, fiercer. That's perfect. The kids were learning about prefixes, suffixes to help them with their vocabulary. This year we're focusing on nonfiction text features.
So they're looking into a story called Creature Features, and we're letting them have some fun by creating a project to share with their families where they're going to create this creature and it's going to have a habitat, and they get to come up with all this fun stuff to make it a little bit more fun for the summer.
I made a lizard with thorns and I called it the Thorny Bob. It's going to be about how they protect themselves and how they make their home.
The school is also connecting literacy with STEM using science and problem-solving activities to reinforce the texts they're exploring throughout the day.
We are learning sight words and some prefix, and we are working so hard. I like it because it's like you learn more and then you learn more about reading.
The school is proud of the hard work students and teachers are putting in this summer.
Our students are excited each morning to show up. They're immersed in literacy and reading and writing activities all day, but it's really because of our teachers and the great energy and work they've put into planning for this time. So it's a great place to be, and it's really supporting all of our literacy initiatives.
About 900 students across the district are taking part in the 14-day program. At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
This one has a S sound, right? So this makes it plural. Tap, taps,